Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back actually with a pretty good day trading recap. I like what I traded today. So I traded JD. You can see here, opened really weak. I actually wanted to short it at 67 area, but at the open it just dumped really heavy. Um, as you can see here, there's a level here that you could potentially short 67s. If not, maybe long if it's above 67.37. But opened really weak. Volume was about 1.1 million just to open. So I took it short here, risking 67, so about close to 50 cents. Risks, so I took some off here when it was holding, and I took some more. So I took a good amount of shares in there, so I took some more off here. I took a lot more here, so I have like really tiny shares after this. And I said, okay, I was really looking for an opportunity. I was waiting for 66, but I got in early. I'm gonna risk just the high of this candle here, because I really wanted this 64.50. That's initially kind of my target. Eventually, went there, you can see, but when I added, I stopped out, and yeah, it's there. So yeah, my second trade was NIO. So as you can see here, I traded NIO really tight risk on this one. I got a good move. Eventually, it's doing what I wanted. So I got a good move here, but I stopped out at break even. I had to follow my rule because if not, it's probably gonna squeeze again at this area 2026, and I don't want that. But I got a good amount of move in here. But I still have enough shares that could potentially break down to 1995 or $20 area. But yeah, hold, and I already made enough where I don't want to risk any of my profit. So yeah. So after seeing this fail here, try double bottom here, right? And it failed here. I said, okay, I'm gonna try risk of a breakdown here, with the risk of this area here, 2025, 2030, risking was risking 10 cents on this one. I'm glad I recorded it because I actually was done trading JD. Yeah, so before everything else, you know what to do. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Follow me on my social media accounts. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. Okay. Oh, let's watch. See here, I was mainly watching. So right at the open, crazy. I was watching JD here, but right at the open, as you can see here, 1 million volume right away. Fell off. It's gap up 7%. So yeah, let's see. Also, so Neo didn't move a lot actually. So at the open, so that's why it's like I'm not going to watch that. Let's focus on JD because there's volume. You can see, here. So I have 66.50. I have 67 here. Two prices that I can watch. Either if it's strong to 67, it's probably gonna recover back to 67 above. Yeah, let's watch. Tested it, risking 67 area. There you go. So that's that quick. Seriously, let's move on here. That quick, I made the move that I wanted. One-to-one move, but I was slowly just taking partials there. Um, because I said I want it to continue, but it's a bit too far from VWAP. That's why I was kind of hesitant to hold a lot of shares. So I was literally thinking, should I take more off and add back, right? At this point, I'm still holding and seeing, and then I took 25% in there. I took a little bit bigger. These are all 10%. There you go. Took another 25% in there. I said, what did I do? But okay, I caught a good move now for me to play around with the stock. So okay, yeah. So I wanted to add full size again. That was the plan. But if it pops down, I'm gonna take more. And if it goes somewhere at 66.20 area, I'm gonna add close to full size, or even half, because just I feel like it's weak. It's probably gonna, whoever's long in this one will, it's either is taking profit, or whoever's long at this area here are required or forced to get out of their position. So there you go. Took some more off. Just thinking that it's gonna go to 29. Really wanted to take 66 ad, but it's not really happening. I'll just take more off. All pops and almost all out of my size at this point. So average was 655, right? So if I'm gonna add, I need to add heavy and risk tightly, because I don't have enough shares. If I add less shares here, there's really no point. Average is 66.55 here. So looking at this level here, it's holding 68.80, right? 66.80 area. Oh yeah. So I was telling myself here, if it pops and pulls back, then that's where I will add. That's what I did there, right? As you can see, look, because it's holding this area 66.80. So I was watching this price here. If it goes to 70, so it touches 80. If it goes to 70, then I will add 84, 85, 80, 70. So I added at 72 a little early, and I'm gonna stop out at 90 area. So new average is 65.83. I added a little bit more. I just want to trade this tight range here. There you go. 60-cent move, 80 cents move. So just perfect add on that one, but I need to be tighter because I don't have enough shares. So average is 66.83 there. Really focusing on price action at this point. And the reason I said I'm gonna stop out in break even, because not JD, NIO is above VWAP. It's also a Chinese stock. It's strong, but I'm focusing on JD itself at this point. So let's see more. I think I added one more. I can't remember exactly what I did at this point. Yeah, I think that was my last ad, and I stopped out. Yeah, so actually that's it. Let's look at my fast forward it to my NIO trade. One sec. Yeah, so so sorry. I recorded it late. I wasn't planning on trading again, so I traded NIO. Really tight risk. I'll probably risk somewhere here, just at this pop of this candle, because I really want this breakdown here. This is what I want, like this area here. When I saw that it made a double bottom, it failed again here. This level, so I have a level here, right? 2042 area, and I have 2026 area. When I saw it failed there, it didn't even close. I mean, it did, this candle, but this candle here, huge dump, bigger candle than this one. I said, okay, good area to entry was actually this one, but we never know. This could probably go back up. So kind of like a breakdown trade, taking some R off, just ease myself. It goes back to break even. I'll get out. So I sent an order at 2010, get filled. So that's the 1-to-1 move. Actually took a lot of shares here, because this was not a planned trade, but my target was actually 1995. I'm glad I took a lot in here. Okay, so I have 20% left. Yeah, I have 20% left. I was tempted to cancel this and just hold it because I still have a feeling, but like I said, I don't want to give back any of my profit. Yeah, so that was it. See, it's back to my break even in my stop out price. Yeah, yeah, that's it. So my recording is done in 40 seconds. Let me pause this. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, so JD's back. This level here, really tempting to make a probably a reversal trade in here, 64.50 area. It did held this price that I have, 64.50. Hmm, amazing. Yeah, that's it. And hope you guys like my recap. That's not a bad week. And yeah, not sure if it's a holiday on Monday. Someone said it's a holiday on Monday. Yeah. Have a good day, everyone. If you haven't, thank you for watching. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel and follow me in my social media accounts. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Please comment if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer. All right. Bye, guys.